What's going on everyone, Simon Says here, back with another video, and today I wanted to do an unboxing and first impressions of a new case I've picked up. So this is from a company called Spigen, and it's this Ultra Hybrid Mag. So this is one of their first cases that's compatible with MagSafe. Essentially it's the Ultra Hybrid but with the MagSafe ring in the middle. So without further ado, let's get into this, and before I get any further, if you like any of my videos or you've watched any of my videos, I'd really appreciate you hitting that thumbs up and clicking that subscribe button. Over 99% of you are not subscribed, so I'd really appreciate it if you did subscribe. It would help out the channel. I'm not a massive channel, I'm just doing this for a bit of fun, but hey, more subscribers the better. So with that being said, let's get into the MagSafe case from Spigen. So this is £25 on Amazon, so it's a relatively inexpensive case. Certainly compared to some of the other cases I picked up from likes of Mouse, which are getting on £60–70, which is just crazy for a case. I don't care what case it is, what it's made out of, £60–70 is just madness. However, this is £25, much more realistic price for a clear case in my opinion. So let's open this up. So we've got some literature from Spigen, just showing you some of their ArcStation Pro wall chargers. So put that to one side, and here is the case. So like I said, this is just a ultra hybrid effectively, so if anyone's had an ultra hybrid case you'll know they're really nice quality. It's hard back and then TPU on the back, on the side, so that it will yellow eventually. What I really like about this case is it's very minimal in terms of the branding. Some of the Spigen cases in the past have been plastered with branding. So just going down, we've got your volume buttons just here, mute switch, a little bit of Spigen branding here. Flip around to the side. Again, what I love about Spigen is they've not been lazy with the cutouts, they're precise. Some other companies that charge you a lot more for their cases, and they're just uniform cutouts. They're just being lazy in my opinion. And then we've got your power button, and then up here we've also got air cushion technology. I don't know if you can see that. So on each corner you've got these little bumpers on the corner. And then, as you can see, you've got the MagSafe ring there. I've gone with a Pacific Blue because I have a Pacific Blue 12 Pro Max, but they do all the colours to basically match the phones. So let me get the case off my current phone, which is the leather MagSafe, and we'll give this a go. So they've even got on their website and on Amazon how to remove the stickers correctly. So I really like this. They've protected the entire case so it doesn't get scratched. So you're meant to remove the middle one, which is the MagSafe bit. Then the end there, and just take your time so you don't get any sticker struggles. There we go. Try and get that off my hands. And then you've got that one there. So let's put the phone in. You won't get any animation like in the official MagSafe cases. There we go. And then we'll take this one off. Again, sticker struggles. And there we go. Now it looks really nice. Seems like a really nice fit. Oh, not quite on there at the corner. Yeah, looks like a really nice fit. Very grippy in the hand. You've got a small amount of lip there as well. Plenty of cutouts at the bottom as well. Yeah, really nice case. Very grippy in the hand, looks decent. Shows off that phone as well and that colour that you've got. and then let's test the MagSafe out, because that's the reason why we got it. And there we go, fully charging. So what do you think, guys? Really nice case for 25 quid from Spigen. This is their ultra hybrid mag. If you've got any comments, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll try and get back to you. Otherwise, that's everything. Take care, and I'll see you soon.